So you have to remove it and always put, don't put too much. What do you want?
The white side.
Spoons like it's so spoony there. Right. It's nice. Comfortable. Hi, Mara. How are you doing? So we will be doing Terrarium, open Terrarium workshop. Okay? So yes, start with, my name is Meenakshi, and with that, in fact, we can even tell our friends, family to do this. There are lots of things which we will learn today. This is your favorite flower. You know what is aquarium? Everyone. Fishes. Only tank for fishes? Does it have anything else? Life. Yeah? So ideally, life on land is terrarium. Terra means land and rium means life. So that is the only difference between aquarium and terrarium. So everyone understood? They don't need that much water. Why?
That's why we
Any
have
idea?
one.
There's two more. Yes. So ideally, put it and try to just make it even, either with your hand or with the spoon what you have.
One of the captains will have that circle like this.
Yes.
I can hold it and put it.
Yes. Will not break your. Let's get dirty. Let's get dirty a bit. So soil. Why is soil so important for us? Any idea? So see, that's what my idea is. That is hardy. You don't have to water it for at least 10 to 15 days, depending on how, like, you have to touch the soil and see if it is wet or dry. Okay, and depending on the amount of soil it is. If anybody says, okay, water it in, you take the soil and halfway. Later you can always put, don't put too much in the beginning only, yeah? And try to level up with your fingers. Yeah, sure. Yes, if you feel the roots are very big, yes, with the hand try to take the soil from the sides and press it, okay? Make it any help, buddy? No? Sure?
Is it good if the only roots?
Yeah, it's fine. Root is the most important part. Don't put the moss now. If you are done with your plants, just check. Is it tightened? Okay, so you don't want miniatures? Wait, don't put the bark now, sweetheart. So see, this color is also there. If somebody wants to put, already done. But now you can do if you feel there is a lot of, soil on that. Much more tighten, that's good. So try to put pebbles, yeah, to tighten your succulents, yes?
Yeah,
the
I
white
said
side.
that.
Like this.
Then bro.
Put it inside.
Colors in life is always required. And what could be better than red?
Open this. Open this.
Will come? Or stand at terrarium?